Hi guys, and welcome back to Melo Trade Channels. Today it was a very bad day for me because I didn't follow the rules. I just wrote the rules again on my wall, and I'm gonna start following them tomorrow for sure. Today was very choppy day, range bounding, as you guys see in the 15-minute chart here. This is today. We started here 8:30 before market open. We dumped, we pumped, and then we just ranging here. It was very hard for me because I got used to structure down or structure up. This shit here, I need to fix my trading here, and it was a very bad day for me, not following the rules. I'm gonna follow the rules with you guys with the strategy, and I want to see if I should have followed the rules because 100% I wouldn't be doing shit if I follow the rules and risk management. So today's gonna be a quick live. I'm just wanna do it really quick because I don't feel good. It's not acceptable. Um, as I say, guys, it's trading. I want to learn trading, and it's a learning curve here, but the learning curve starts with following the rules. If you don't follow the rules, and take me as a an example here, not following the rules, and I feel like shit right now, but I'm doing the live just to express my shitness. And here we go. Let's see what happened today. I told you guys we have a couple of uh, levels here. I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna retrace it to, just gonna go back to 9:30 on the 3 minute, and we go from there. It's 4 o'clock, so the market is not closed yet. It will close in about an hour, but I was done very early today. It was a shit show for me. Anyway, so what happened today? I did the update, and if we go to the 15 minute, we had 15. Uh, Basically, right here, we had a fifth. I wanted to take this wick, but that was the 15, and that was the low. And I told you if we break the low, we look for shorts, but we broke the low and we pumped again. So it was very shit. I should have just stayed with shorting. Just follow the rules and follow the 3 minute. Uh, but I didn't do it today. And let's see what happened. 8:15. Say 8:30. We already broke. Yeah, basically what happened, guys. We came back to the 618 here. 15 minute was broken structurally right here, and if you want to short, you should just wait for the 15-minute lows, all these lows, to short from there. Um, because what they did, they made an order block here. Uh, they came up, they bounced from the 618, very hot. Market is not open yet, so they came back and they made a doji into the order block, and they engulfing candle, and they were going. This is a very nice pattern to trade if it wasn't for a market open right away. So let's see what the market opens. We didn't quite touch the 30 minute. We didn't come back to the day open. I was waiting for this level. Maybe we do this, but I think they just took the liquidity from the downside, and they're gonna take it from the upside, and they just range bound today. Um, yeah, so that was a nice bounce from the 618. To be honest with you, Let's see. The market opens right away, very hot. Came back to that order block. Um, Honestly, I saw that, but it was very fresh. Like I should have been more aggressive today and take that long. But I told you we're breaking the 15 minutes, so shorting was my uh, way to go. But you gotta play both sides. So this is a nice one because not only we came to that back order block, but we came to that last order block that we just put. We didn't disrespect it. So it's something that I could have uh, take. Um, but see, as short, it just they're playing with your mind right now. You shouldn't take it because structure to the downside. You should have wait. Basically, you have this order block right here, or whatever they're gonna give you, or you wait for the level. It just I was supposed to wait for some kind of a pattern uh, to give me that. I'm doing it with you guys because today my mind was everywhere. So I wasn't trading. I was just wasting money. So I'm doing it candle by candle with you and see what's opportunity that can give. But this is not a long because you're against structure. Obvious. And number four rule: only trade with market structure. Number four. And I just put a new rule for me: 5 trade per day maximum. I cannot do more than five. If I finish the five, so I should have cherry pick my trade because it's been horrible, and I'm taking a lot of trade that I wasn't supposed to take. But let's see. So that wasn't a trade for me because we're against structure. We didn't even made this is not even a structure down to make it up. Yeah, and they did this. It's crazy. Anyways, I think I was waiting for another candle, so that happened here. Uh, yeah, it did not take that high. Yeah, it did not take that high, and it came very hot in here. And basically, uh, we broke structure on the 3 minute. Yeah, so that wasn't a trade to take because we don't have any structure break, so we should have stayed with shorts. Now this one is it's very annoying because if we go back to let's go back to 12 minutes easier. Yeah. Yeah, that was very annoying. Why? Because we had a 3 minute break of structure. Now the 15 minute, it's not right here. It's 15 minutes right here. I told you guys, but let's go back to the 12 minute. Let's see. Yeah, so when we break, oh, we didn't even made a low to confirm that. Yeah, so I told you it's shit. Like you don't have anything. You don't have anything. Let's go back to the 3 minute. We disrespected that order block. Um, I can't lie to you guys. I would have taken it. My invalidation it would have been that low, but I guess invalidation should have stayed here. Um, but let's see what happened. I know it was a straight loss, and where I was gonna take it, maybe I was just gonna take it TP1 here. I'm not sure it's gonna happen, but yeah, TP1 just, yeah, no, trade loss. Yeah, so you're breaking structure on the 3 minute. So, and your 15 minute basically at the top. So that would be the block that you're gonna get reject from. Yeah, that would be the block if you would ever get rejected, because that would be the last block to the 15 minute. Yeah, when I looked at it, we didn't have any 15 minute, but I guess that's the new 15 minute. Yeah, so very crazy, huh? Very crazy. So that was trade loss. Market opens, but we had a signal here, structure with the volume. So when you break structure with the volume, all you wanted is a little bit retrace, but no, they came out very hot. I don't know if I should count this as a rules, but I'll just write it down as a uh, 37. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should count it as rules, but maybe this gave me the hint. Uh, no idea, guys. It's confusing day for me. Anyways, let's make it back. Let's see. Now you're going down because you're rejected from the 30 minute. Uh, let's see what happened. Yeah, all I wanted is this. I couldn't just stayed with this high. It's crazy. Stay with this high, but yeah, came back. Um, now structurally upside. I don't know if we break. No, I wouldn't. Yeah, yeah. Internally, here you don't have anything. You delete that liquidity. You closed in it, so you don't have it. Beautiful. I don't know what you call this. I have no idea what do you call this, but you didn't even come to the last order block, but you kind of defended the 15 minutes for sure. Yeah, the high was defended for sure. It was crazy defending. Yeah. Looking at the 12 minutes, you don't, no, you don't have shit to go with. Anyways, let's check this order block that we created for running it for sure. And then you closed in it. But you still have structure to the upside, so you're waiting for some kind of um, bullish pattern to go with. Um, yeah, nothing. Yeah, you're not breaking, so you have to stay with bullishly up. Yeah, it didn't give you the thing that you want. Yeah, shorting here, I don't know. Let's see what happened after. Still didn't give you the thing that you look for. Yeah, just range bounding today. Just wait for the. Yeah, you still didn't break this low, so no shorts. No shorts. Whatever you doing, no shorts. Still no breaking, no shorts. Yep, nothing. For me, this is just a liquidity, and you're gonna go. You didn't break this low, and you just took the liquidity here. Beautiful take of liquidity, and you just claim the range. Yeah, so you took the liquidity, you came back, you took the range, no short. Yeah, come up. Yeah, nothing here. So you waiting for this or the block. No, you didn't break nothing. This is no structure. This has to go because this allow to go all the way to here. So it allowed to do it, and now you break. Now you just wait for that. Not even looking for shorts. Didn't give you what you want to. Doji. I don't know. This is the engulfing I was looking for in the order block. Very, very big engulfing. So we came very hot to come down, and we made a doji, and we couldn't even break the low on the doji. And then we engulfed it. This is a long for me because we're waiting for longs. And I'm just going to be brave with it because my first loss was a 37. So validation to this wick. And where do I want it? Because I know I have VWAP that we lost, right? Yeah, I know we have a VWAP that we lost. So my first TB should be at VWAP. That's the rules, right? Yeah, that's the rules. But I really would like it to hear. But the rule said VWAP right here. Let's see. See that? See that shit? What they do? Garbage. Garbage. Another garbage. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Straight to the invalidation. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. So closing it here would be the best decision ever. Straight. Straight. Yeah, they didn't want to go. Why this happened? Why the hell this happened? We came up to the VWAP. We couldn't break. We don't have an order block. It's a crazy market. Crazy market. Yeah. I should have taken the loss right here at 9. Yeah. So stick to the rules. Rule number 9. Close the trade when the candle closes in the order block. That candle closed in the order block? It did. Close the trade. Number 2, -9. Now we're structurally to the downside. But look what they're going to do today. So all this is gone. And we have this order block. Right? Right. They just did this. So after taking this long and it failed, how you can take this long? Yeah, they came down, they closed below, and then they claimed the range with the engulfing. But how you have the confidence to take it? I'm not fucking confident. No fucking confident. You're touching the 618 1, 2, 3 times. Right? Don't matter. Don't matter to them. They're just fucking up traders. Yeah, you're just fucking up traders. Here you go. Just go, go, go. Front run order block. Front run the top and the bottom. You have nothing now. You have absolutely fucking nothing to trade with. Nothing. Nothing. You're empty. You're empty as fucking whore. Sorry, guys, for my language, but the market pissed me off, man. Job the wop. Fucking like a loose whore. Anyways. The order block is nothing. I don't know if you consider this an order block. Yeah, basically you had 1, 2, 3. After the 2, I would consider it an order block. Unbelievable. Structurally, though, structurally, on the 3-minute, you need to break this. If you break this, you're allowed to go here. Did it break it? No. It did not fucking break it, and it's coming back to the order block. No, didn't break it. You're a fucking asshole coming back to the order block. Close into the order block. Outside of the order block. Doji. And you get engulfing. How do you fucking take this engulfing after you took this engulfing and you got fucked? Because the same situation. It's not. This is up. This is higher than you. This is higher than you. Okay? And you made a doji, nothing, and you engulf, and then you just trickle it down, right? To this low. So how you're not gonna take all this bullshit to trickle it down here? You got rejected from VWAP. This got rejected from VWAP. Okay? Same exact fucking thing. Same fucking thing. Right? Maybe you should have put the stop loss here. Safer. Validation here though. But look at this. You didn't break any fucking structure, by the way. No fucking structure up. And then you just want it to go. Garbage. Come back again to the order block with the lower high. How you fucking take this lower high? Nothing. Chop, chop, chop. Now you break structure. Not really. You need another candle to break structure. Do we have another candle? Yeah, we do now. Some gay candle, but you do. So you have this order block. 12:30. Beautiful. Beautiful fucking day. Now this is the low. Go of that doji. You're above VWAP. You're going up above VWAP. So this will be a nice trade to take if we came back to it. No, we decided to front run it, I think. Yeah, we front run it beautifully. First deviation, you have above VWAP, and then you had hanging man engulfing, right? But first deviation though. Okay, I would take that for sure. We already broke order blocks, structurally up, invalidation here, right? But you have all these order block to fill. Crazy, huh? Structure up, right? This leg, we didn't even break that low. So validation below VWAP. Where are you gonna take it? Being a brave, where are you gonna take it? To this? To this? Where are you gonna take it? Yeah, to this will be good. Being a brave. We'll see. Wow. Target hit. Target hit. Gave you this. You're up structurally. Yep. It's basically engulfing. Yeah. I don't know if that would be a target. I just want to go back and put orb. Let's see, where's orb here? Where's orb? 9:30. This is orb. Let's put orb on the. Because I didn't put orb today, and it might messed up my trading. I didn't see the resistance there. Where's orb? Yeah, orb here. Let's go back to the 3 minute. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, that would be a nice long with orb, right? Obi-Wan Kenobi. And that would have been orb fail breakdown. Beautiful. And you take it. Anyway, so yeah, I would have taken it to here. I wouldn't take it to more. Maybe TP1. I don't know, TP2 front running orb. Come back to the fucking entry. Yeah. So trade number 3, and you got 30. Usually I would have fucking take it here at the high, that's for sure. But I don't know if should I take that. No. My rule number 10. First touch of order block only. So this is the first touch. That's it. Unless you close in it and then you make something out of it. But this one, where's this bullshit trade? Yeah, this one. Maybe I should have just put a stop loss here. And that will have made me on that doji. Wow, that's 69, guys. That fucking 69. Who said it's 30? Fuck. That's a big fucking thing. Yeah, I should have stayed here. Stayed here, buddy. Engulfing, engulfing, engulfing. You should have stayed in the fucking thing. I don't understand this one and this one. Where is it? This one right here. Yeah, still came back to it. Still came back to it. I cannot lie. Still came back to it. But it held. Alrighty. Let's continue. Structure to the upside. So coming down, order block was touch. Does this consider engulfing? I guess. Why? Because we never closed outside of the order block. That's one. We took the liquidity here and you engulf the hanging man. So I'll stay here. Fuck that shit. Just like this one, I could have stayed here. Yeah, fuck that shit. I stay here and I'll take the same trade. No? Yes? No? Yes? Yes? No. Didn't do it this time, right? No. It went up. Yeah, it went up. But it didn't do it. Came straight back down to 21 loss. Should I write it down? Yeah, I should. Fuck that shit. Should be true. Minus 21. Yeah. Still a fucking bad day today. 69 or 26. Fuck it. 26 because it's what is it? It's engulfing candle. It's not the strategy. So in engulfing, this one is engulfing. Is this one engulfing? No. This one is OB trade. Yes, engulfing, but it's OB. OB. What about this one? The one is 09. Where is that one? 09. The trade. This one? No. This was engulfing. It's the one, the 09. It's 26. This one. Fuck, I don't know. 26 was the engulfing, right? Which is this one. No? It's not this one? I had no fucking idea. I gotta view. I gotta watch the video to see. Anyways, let's continue here. This garbage. No engulfing. And this order block, it's literally got ran through. Um, this one got ran through like a whore. And this one, there is hope of this one. Nope. It's ran through like Mia Khalifa, and this one still hope, I guess. Engulf. Engulf the fucking move. Yeah. So closing it, engulfing candle. You don't even have an order block. So basically, structurally, I wouldn't count this as a structure up. So this structure still up. Plus, you don't have a low on the 3 minute until here. So this is a legit trade. I'm gonna fucking glue that order stop loss to here, and I'm just gonna go to this low, right? That's what I need to go. I know VWAP above me. I know. I know. I know. I know. VWAP. Yeah, I know. I should have taken the trade. Blah blah blah. I'm chopping the WAP. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, there is hope. There you go. There you go. That's what you should trade, my friend. That what you should trade, my friend. Structure. Why don't I trade the way I trade when I reviewing it? That's how I supposed to trade. What is that? 31. 5. That's a 5 trade for the day in golf. Here you go. Just want to run that wick, right? But basically, I could have taken it to this wick just to squeeze a little bit juice out of it. Everything count. And go to this order block, maybe here. Beautiful. Yeah, I wouldn't take it more than that. You could, but I wouldn't do it. Now, basically, you're breaking structure to the upside again because you never lost structure to the downside. Okay, I wouldn't count this shit. This thing, this thing is annoying. But you have the engulfing on the order block, so it is the last order block. So beautiful. It didn't fake me out anywhere here. Um, let's watch this order block now. Now you have another low, which is this guy right here. Yeah, and you came back to it. Honestly, you did came back to it, but you closed in it. So no tricky picky, and you engulfed again. So you can check the trade here too. But this was the better trade for sure. Yeah, you could have take that trade too. To here, you never came back to it. Yeah, you know, you could have saved that with 26, just under it. No, I'm not checking Fibonacci, but I should. I should check Fibonacci, but I always forget. I always forget to check the Fib if there is confluence on the Fib, which is here. There is. Like you touch the. You didn't even touch the 88. Beautiful. 7-8, and then you engulfed it. Yeah, this one is good. Where else we have that the Fib? Let's check this bullshit trade that I'll come back to this, guys. Give me 1 second. I want to check this shit first. The engulfing. Yeah, here. So, yeah, you didn't come back to. I know you had an order block here, but this order block would be better. Yeah, you didn't come back to that one. What about this one? I'm getting confused here. I'm getting fucking tired. I'm getting tired. Where's that engulfing? This one. Not this one. This one, you don't have any order block, nothing. At the orb. You did that at the orb. But that the one. See, I don't think you reach 618. You're too far from 618 here. Yeah. Basically too far from 618. What was it? 0.5? You actually made it at 0.5? Did you make the other one at 0.5? Yeah. This point 0.5 worked, but the other point 0.5 didn't work. Hmm, crazy. They tried to save it. Didn't get saved. Let's see this one. I should involve Fib. It's the best. Fib is the best for order blocks. Oh, what happened here? There we came up all the way to the 618 didn't hold 7-8 because we had the order block at 7-8. Yeah. All right, let's see this guy. Hi, hi, hi. Came back. No. Yeah, we keep making the low, higher low, higher low. So unless one of them, yeah, because low, we got high, and we got a higher low, we got a higher high, and now we got a higher low. Order flow is going to here. So if I take a trade, this trade supposed to go to here. This is the trade because uh, I'm supposed to make a higher high with that higher low. Unless that comes and dump, take me out. That's the order flow, and that will be a nice trade. Yeah. When we touch this, we took that liquidity and we made it higher here. We broke that high. As high as we went, we came back. We should have come back here. But let's see if we could have taken another trade along the way. This trade is gone off this order block, and it gave you another entry here. And it's going. Let's see if it's gonna can give you another entry in here. No. Let's see what fib do we have here. No, I needed to make a higher high to make that fib. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, we're going. And we're making this kind of thing too. The grindy bindy. It's a long. So looks like a long for me. No? Uh-oh. Yeah, we didn't break nothing in here. Nothing was broken. Here you go. That's it. Oh, we made it to this high right here. Just now. Yeah, so we came up and we came again to this high and we're pumping. So the two entry trade they were here and there. This is of course this is the better trade, but your TP is this high right here, and you just took that high, right? It's your order flow. So right now, what you have, you didn't make any low here. Here you came, not even nothing here. So this is all one leg. All this, I would consider it one leg. This is the other leg. And this is the last order block. So I would have just leave that one, and I'm gonna put that one here, and it's gonna pull that fib right here. I don't know if we're gonna come back to that shit. Looks like in the positive today if we stick with the trades, but don't know. We have 61, and we have now we're basically break even. Three trade in the minus. We could have basically tweaked this and leaving a runner is that what makes you the money. Yeah. Just taking a trade here, guys. Let me show you. Just because we hit the order block, Uh, Basically, my take profit here, and then stop loss here, I think. Yeah, we're already gonna hit the stop loss. Yeah, I'll close the trade if we closed in the order block. Looks like we're strong. Not sure. Yeah, looks like we're strong here. We'll see. It's the last order block before the 15 break. The money flow on the 15-second is high. I'm giving it a chance. We're above orb. Are we losing orb? No, we're not losing orb. And we're coming with volume. That's the thing. We came with volume. We had the tail. Yeah. Yeah, looks like a loss, guys. Yeah, we're coming hot. We're coming very hot. Are we closing under it or? Wow, we're strong. We're hot. Volume picked up again. Oh yeah, volume picked up. And we're closing in the order block above second deviation. No. Are we dumping now? Looks like we are. Stop. Stop loss to entry. Right here. Front run the TP. Front running the TP or close it in profit. One little push down. A little more. A little more. TP hit, guys. That's a live trading right here. TP hit. Um, I don't know what to tell you here. I have no idea what to tell you. Other than I saw the volume coming in. Um, just retesting the high here. Basically retesting these highs. That would be the TP. Honestly, I should have just closed the trade here. But basically, the reason I didn't close the trade because we didn't close that. We did on the exchange, so I cannot say no. But on both Bybits, um, we didn't close above this wick, and that happened today. I saw it today on VWAP right here. We didn't close above the wick, and we trickling down. So, but that could be risky. That's not a good trade. Not a good trade, guys. No, I don't like the trade. Um, I don't like this trade. But basically, we had the VWAP here. Yeah, not a good trade. I don't like it. And as you see, guys, the trade is closed. It's done. You don't see it anymore. Around, yeah, that's the screen. So this could be a good trade. I'm not gonna take it, but it's a good trade. Let's see if we get a base hit. I want to see if I can put my stop loss below the wicks here. This would be stopped out, or just above the order block. Just above the order block, I think. It's either we're holding or no. So this trade will be basically something like that. Yeah, you guys seen it. Yeah, and I'll take it to the second deviation. Yeah, that will save me a lot of trouble. Because if it came back to the below the order block, there's no point of trading it. Validation below, but it should be yeah. Can we get a base hit out of it? Let's see. Base hit basically would be right here. Might as well just take it to that order block for a quick TP. I'm not sure if we're gonna get there. I didn't take that trade. I took this trade live. It just happened. I saw it approaching the last 3 minutes, but we were coming hot. So the last one before the 15 break, before the high. So if we were gonna reject, we reject from there. And if we're gonna continue, this has to come down, go up to this order block, and then go down. But continue the dump. But I don't think we're gonna continue the dump. So let's go back to the original screen. Yeah, right here. Um, yeah, money flow in the 15-second, guys, is really good. So I think the pump is continuing, and we didn't get the base hit yet, but that was a good candle. I wished I took the order block somewhere here. I took the trade somewhere here, but according to the order block, that's what I took it. 645, 645 exactly. That's it. Anyways, guys, if you like the content, like, subscribe. Melo Trades. Bad day for me today. I'll try to stick to the rules. Always watch the structure. Wait for candle closes and following the rules. And patience pays. Number 5. Patience pays, guys. Identify the 15 to 3 minute structure and wait for 3 minute order block strategy. That's what I have to do, as you guys see right here. If I waited, I couldn't make it. Anyways, guys, bye bye for now. See you in the next video.